Hi, I'm Mrs. H Psychology. This time it's on paper 2, approaches topic, and it is how do we tackle the comparison essay question. Okay, so let's have a quick whiz through these. So you may get a question that looks like this. Discuss whatever the approach is, refer to at least one other approach in your answer, 12 or 16 marks, something like that. Okay, so we need to start always, we're focused on whatever that approach is. It is an essay on that approach. It's just that in your evaluation, in your your discussion, you're going to bring in the comparison. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so we're going to start with psychodynamic, and I'm going to talk you through each of those. So psychodynamic, obviously you're going to use your key assumptions, unconscious determinism, for example, structure of the personality, psychosexual stages. Right, so you're going to outline those for your AO1s, and then you're going to go into the discussion and the evaluation are going to be the comparisons, which I'll show you now. So here we go. This is psychodynamic versus humanist, and here we have key points. So whether it's negative, positive approach, conscious, unconscious, free will determinism, reductionist, holistic, past, present therapies, and the methods used. So what I suggest you do is pause the screen, have a look at those. Check your understanding of those, and then I'm going to move down to every single other approach that we have to tackle. So that's psychoanalytic versus humanists. Okay, we could also, if we need to, bring in other key strengths and weaknesses. Okay, so again, if you need anything else to develop with those points after you've done the comparisons, you could use these, and this stuff applies to each of the different approaches I'm going to show you. Okay, so going on now to psychoanalytic, psychodynamic versus biological approach. So again, pause the screen, pause the video, have a look at those. Going on, we've got psychodynamic, psychoanalytic versus cognitive. We've got psychoanalytic versus behaviorist. Psychoanalytic versus social learning theory. Okay, and then that is all the comparisons. So we go back up to have a look at the essay question. Remember, what you're going to be doing is outlining the approach, then doing your comparisons, and if you've got time and you want to do some extra evaluation, then you can include the other evaluative points. But most of it should be coming in that discussion here where you're comparing them. Okay, and obviously if you get at least one other approach, you can bring in all the others. I'm going to do videos for each of the different approaches, okay, to make comparisons. So look out for those.